Meet Scout, the AI-powered camera that gets to know your pets. This is Charlie. Scout can spot him from the front, side, and even the back. And Milo too. Scout can recognize up to 5 different dogs and cats. Scout understands what it sees. It captures important activities, like eating, drinking, and even selfies, and organizes them for you in the app. You'll see every moment clearly with Scout's high-definition video and 360-degree view. Stay connected from anywhere, at any time, with two-way audio and full-color night vision. And when Scout's off duty, just slide the privacy cover for extra peace of mind. Scout gives you wider angles, more focused actions, and more options to keep watch where it matters most. Scout keeps learning too, so your smart pet camera will be even smarter tomorrow. It's the next generation of AI pet camera that gets to know your pets.